In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your employees' time in QuickBooks Time. Whether you need to track hours accurately, approve timesheets, or keep payroll moving without delays, this walkthrough will show you the essential screens and a few helpful tips along the way. First, open QuickBooks Time. If you use QuickBooks Online, launch it from all apps, choose Time, and select Launch QuickBooks Time. This keeps everything connected so your hours flow cleanly into payroll. If you manage multiple businesses, double-check you're in the correct company before you continue. Next, head to the top navigation and click My Team. Here you'll see your full list of employees. This page gives you a quick pulse check on who's on your team and is the starting point for reviewing individual time. Select any employee to view their submitted time entries. You can review clock-in and clock-out times, breaks, and total hours for the day or pay period. If something doesn't look right, maybe a missed break or an incorrect clock out, make the edit directly on the entry to correct it. Keep changes limited to what you can verify, and add a short note if your account uses notes for audit clarity. When you're done, save your edits so the totals update. When you're ready to finalize hours, go to Approvals in the top navigation. From here, approve or reject employee time entries for payroll. Approving locks those entries, signaling they're ready for payroll processing, while rejecting sends them back for fixes. It's a good practice to scan for missing days, unusually long shifts, or breaks that don't align with policy before you approve. To see how planned schedules compare to what actually happened, open Reports, then Schedule Reports, and choose Schedule versus Worked. This report lines up scheduled hours against actual worked hours, so you can spot gaps, overtime trends, or coverage issues, and follow up as needed. If timesheets are missing or sitting unapproved, use notifications in company settings to send reminders. Configure alerts to nudge employees or managers about what's outstanding, so you're not chasing last-minute entries at payroll time. That's how to manage your employees' time in QuickBooks Time. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. I can also make a short 40-second version optimized for 11 labs or YouTube Shorts so it's punchy and viewer-friendly. Do you want me to do that next?